कविताजितकल्लोली कन्यका कान्तवक्षसे करुणादिगुणाढ्याय कमलानिधये नमः.
Divyadesa Vaibhavam. Let's know about Divyadesams based on the Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti composed by Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami.
Today's kshetram has the name Tirunagai. It is situated about 1.5 kilometers from Nagapattinam station. This is a very beautiful place and so bears the name of Saundarya Kshetram too. The Moolavar Lord here has the name of Neelamegha Perumal and is found in the standing posture facing the east. The Utsava Murti is extremely beautiful and is known as Saundarya Rajan or Nagai Alagiyar as referred to by Alvars. Goddess Mahalakshmi bears the name of Saundaravalli. The Utsava Vigraha of Goddess Mahalakshmi is found in the Gajalakshmi form. There are 2 elephants besides Mahalakshmi in the Utsava form. There is a Pushkarani named as Sara Pushkarani, which was known to be very, very sacred. It is said that once Adisesha, the king of serpents, also known as Nagaraja, performed penance and worshipped Lord Narayana on the banks of Sara Pushkarani. The Lord appeared in front of Adisesha and asked him what he wanted. Adisesha or Nagaraja said that, "O Lord, I should be of service to you at all times. If you go in procession, I should accompany you in the form of an umbrella, Sendral Kudayam. If you choose to take the sitting posture, I should become the throne for you, Irundal Singhasanamam. If you want to stand and give darshan to devotees, I should become your holy sandals, Nindral Maravadiyam. If you want to recline on the Pralaya waters or in the Kshirabdi, I should become your bed. I should become the soft silken fabric on which you can choose to rest any time. I should be like a lamp leading the way for you whenever you want to go and wherever you want to go. I should be of service to you at all times, at all places and in all forms. Nindral Maravadiyam Neel Kadalul Poompattam Punai Vilakam Pulgum Anayam Thirumarkku Aravu, says Poyyalvar. So did Adisesha pray to the Lord in this kshetram, and the Lord promised to give him this kind of service. In fact, the original name of Adisesha is Ananta. Ananta became Adisesha because he became a Sesha of the Lord, a servant of the Lord at all times, and thus he became the king of the Lord's servants, getting the name Adisesha. He was the one who performed various acts to glorify the Lord. The one who glorifies his master is known as Sesha, and Ananta was Adisesha, the foremost amongst Seshas. It is said that the Lord of this place also revealed himself to Dhruva, Bhumi Devi, Markandeya and Shalishuka Maharaja of the Chola dynasty. We can find 3 forms of the Lord in this kshetram, one in the Shayana Tirukolam or the reclining posture as Ranganatha, one in the sitting posture as Govindaraja, and the main Sannidhi of Saundara Raja. Since Adisesha wished to perform service or Kainkaryam in all states of the Lord, it is said that the Lord showed himself to him in all these 3 postures. We can also find a rare idol of Ashtabhuja Narasimha in this place where he is found slaying Hiranyakashipu and blessing Prahlada at the same time. This kshetram receives the Mangalashasanam of Tirumangayalvar in 10 pasurams, and Tirumangayalvar is spellbound by the beauty of this Lord, and he keeps saying, Acchovaruvar Alagiyava. How do I describe the beauty of this Lord? He is just mesmerized by the divine beauty of Saundararaja. Now, let us listen to a shloka on Tirunagai by Ashukavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami. Tishtannagapure nutakkalihruta saundarya sanmandire saundaryabhidhaya yutodayitaya saundarya rajo vibhuhu tire sara saraswatoh kalihara srinatha vedho mukhaihi Trishta Shri Puruhuta Sanmukha Sarojato Hari Rajate.
Tishtannagapure nutaha kalihrita saundarya sanmandire saundaryabhidaya yutodayitaya saundarya rajo vibhuhu tire sara saraswato kalihara srinatha vedo mukhaihi drishtaha Shri Puruhuta Sanmukha Sarojato Hari Raja